Hi, congratulations that you made it to this stage. I know that you really want to power your 2 to 3 bedroom flat. That is why you were able to push through to get to this stage. My name is Adobe Chalimesi. So I'm going to be explaining to you the important thing you need to know about solar before you think of getting solar. So that you will know that you can actually get a solar below 600K. You can get from 60,000 naira to 850,000 naira depending on your capacity or your need. Okay, so that is why I'm doing this video in order for me to explain to you, break it down in the layman language so that you can understand very well and go for the solar you know you can afford. You go for the one that can suit your need effectively. Okay, so in the next slide, I'm going to be explaining. This video is just a brief video that won't waste much of your time. Okay, so the most important thing you must know about solar. A lot of persons have said solar is expensive and is for the rich. Is it actually true? No, it's not true. This is a lie. Solar is not only for the rich. But you must understand something, that in as much that you can afford solar, one major thing you need to understand is that you need to identify your need. Like I said, one of the major thing you must first understand that you can power your home with as low as 60K to 850K, but you must first understand your need. You must first understand and identify the things you want to power in your home. When solar comes to your mind, it's not just about to rush and say that, oh, I want to power my AC, oh, I want to power my refrigerator, I want to power my deep freezer, I want to power the whole fan in my home, I want to power the whole bulb, everything, all the whole appliances, speaker. You don't just rush and say you want to power those things. You have to sit down and ask yourself, what are the most important things in my home that I know I want to power, that I need most, that without NEPA light, it can serve my need and I am happy. That is what you need to first of all identify. Okay, there are some persons what they need to identify they want to power in their home is their bulbs, their laptops, their blender, just some small appliances. That is what some of them just want to power in their home. They don't need much. Okay, so if you as an individual have been able to identify what you need to power in your home, then it will now be easier for you to identify the kind of solar you should go for. If you've not identified it, you cannot just rush that you want to go for this kind of solar system. Okay, so let's take for example, you are a bachelor or you are a single person, and you say that, oh, I want to power just my laptop, I want to power my blender, I want to power my fan and my bulbs. Those are the only thing. Then my phones, I want to power this so I can be able to power those small appliances like phones. You can say, okay, good. You have been able to identify what you want to power. You will now go ahead and ask a good solar technician and ask, oh, which solar is going to be suitable for me? That is when you will now know that, oh, this is the capacity of solar I should go for. You now look into the one within the range of 300, the one of 250K. You can get solar system of that range, which is the solar generator system you can get for that, and it will serve you perfectly. But if you just rush and say that, oh, you want to power your AC and everything, if you are rushing there or you are looking into those high appliances, because those appliances have a huge capacity, which will most likely cost you more. That is why at the end of the day, you hear that, oh, you have to the capacity you require 3 kVA or maybe 10 kVA, and it will cost a lot. And at the end of the day, because of how high the price might be, you will not be able to afford it. You will just back off. Whereas there are solar system that can suit your need, but you went to focus on those high ones. So that is why you need to identify your need first. Okay, so identify what you want to power in your home. Then from there, you can take the next step. Okay, so most people feel solar is expensive and they can't afford it because they want to do solar that must power everything in their house or business. No, you mustn't power everything in your home if you want to actually use a solar system that you know you can afford at a point in time. Okay, So what the trick here is that you can start small, you mustn't start big. Okay, just power only those things you need most in your home, so that even when there is no NEPA light, there is still light in your home. There are some people that will tell you that what I want to power is just my bulb, what I want to power is just my phones, my laptops. You understand? Some of them, and they are okay with it. They have light in their home 247 to power those even without NEPA light. So those are the things you need to identify. So simply identify your most important appliances and ask for a solar package that meets your need. Like I said previously, those things that you know that are important to you, you need to identify them, because if you don't identify them, you will not be able to know the solar system that like the solar package that is suitable for you, that will meet your need. You understand? Some people just want fan, light, charge their phones, laptop or POS machine. Simple. That is what some persons need, which is okay. So if those are the things you need, you should be okay with it. You shouldn't be looking at solar system that would power your AC, that will power your deep freezer, except you want to go for those solar system. And those solar system that can power your AC, that can power your deep freezer and those big appliances, at the end of the day they are going to cost you much, because the higher your capacity, the higher the cost. That is how it works. Okay, so if you are talking about like I said, you are talking about big appliances like AC, a deep freezer. Some person that will tell you that they want to power their AC and they have up to 2 or 3 AC. That is what they want to power. Some person have 2 deep freezer. You understand? So if you are looking at those to power those big appliances, at the end of the day you will run away, because the money that will come for you will be very high. So it's not suitable to go for those big appliances if you know you want to actually get a solar system that you know you can afford, because you don't have much money at this point in time. And the good part of it is that as time goes on, you can actually scale through. Like, let's say for example, you look at, oh, my appliances are getting bigger and I want to increase my you want to increase your solar system capacity. You understand? You can go ahead and increase it so that it will be able to meet your need at the end of the day. Okay, so in the next slide, there are several solar packages available that can meet your need without costing you a huge amount. Like I said, there are some packages, there are solar fan. You understand? What some person do is that, oh, I need only fan. So what they will do is that they will just buy only solar fan that will suit their needs, and they are okay with it, because some people say they cannot stay without it. They cannot stay without fan, sorry. You understand? If everywhere is hot, they are restless, they cannot sleep, so they will just go for a system, a solar fan that will just suit their need, and they are okay. You see that with 60,000 naira, with 70,000 naira, the person can get this and the person is okay. But if you are looking that you want to power your whole house, that is the whole of your house, you know that this amount will not be able to, like, you will not be able to afford it. So you just go for those things you know you need. Okay, there are some system, there are some solar generator system, they are 200,000 naira, they are 250,000 naira. This system can power your TV, can power your laptop, can power your fan. So far the fan does not have a very huge capacity. You understand? Some person that will just even go for 2 fans. Maybe they have 2 bedroom flat. They will put one in one room. They will put another one in one room, and that is it. And even without NEPA bringing light, they are still using the fan, because what they use to power that fan is the sun. The sun is what is powering those fan. So they are not depending on NEPA. Whether NEPA bring their light or did not bring their light, they are still okay. There are some persons, there are some of this solar system, they comes with bulb. Yes, sir. So you need to know the solar package that is available that meets your need without costing you much. Okay, some cost as 300,000, 350,000, some 400 and 500K, depending. Okay, there is a solar system of 850K. This 850K package is a system that can power your deep freezer, let's this the normal system, though you it's a startup system, that in the future you say that you want to increase the capacity of your solar system, you can go ahead and increase it, but it's just a starting point. Instead of waiting for you to have millions to fit solar, with that 850,000 you can start up with a solar system that can power your deep freezer, that can power your fan, that can power your bulbs, that can also power microwave. You get. So just identify what you need. Don't be in a hurry to just meet someone that, oh, I need solar system that will power all my house, and you know definitely at the end of the day, by the time they come money for you, you think that the solar is expensive. No, it's because you are stretching your hand far, that's why you are thinking like that. So you need to calm down and ask yourself, what do you need solar for? Like me, I don't like darkness. There are some people that don't like darkness. They can't just even be in an atmosphere that is dark. They like it when everywhere is bright. They like it when the whole house is bright. Some people, they have children, so they like it when, even if the TV is not on, they like it when the whole house is bright. They like it so that their children can, everywhere will be bright for the children. Different things. Some persons, when they go to work, they come back, they want to see everywhere bright. So you get. So now you know that actually you can afford solar system. You don't need to wait to break the bank. You can start small. There's a solar system of 100K that can power your power bank. It can power your power bank. Yes, it comes with bulb, it comes with panel. So you have what you will use to power this your solar generator. It also have a charger that comes with it, that even you can even use lights to power this solar generator. So you don't need to go for those big packages. You understand? Because there's, let me tell you the truth. I won't try to come and convince you, or try to come and lie to you, or try to come and sugarcoat word so that I will, or deceive you. I won't deceive you. If for example you are looking for a solar system that will power your AC, that will power your deep freezer, maybe you are even having two AC, you're having two deep freezer, three AC, just like, and you have big appliances. Let me tell you the truth, no solar system of 600K, no solar system of 850K will power it. Any solar technician, or any solar um installer that tell you that is not true. Are you getting it? So you can actually get a solar system below 600K that will suit your need perfectly. It all depends on your need. So that is why I'm putting it out here, so that you too can benefit from this opportunity, so that you too can understand how this thing work. So that even if you want to go out there and meet a solar generator seller, you know what you are going for, you know what you are going to ask the person. You are not randomly going to meet the person. You understand? So in the next slide, I will show you some examples of solar generators, so you can see. Okay, so you can see this solar generator. It comes with a panel. This solar generator, that's the first one. It can power your laptop. You can see other things it can power. It can even power your fan. It comes with a panel. And one thing about this solar generator is that it's like um it's mobile. You can take it from one place to another. That is solar generator for you. Let's take for example, you have a business center, there is an office, and you also have a home. If you know that, oh, you want to use this thing in your business place, you can take it to your business place and it will serve you perfectly, and you also bring it back home. So you see that you can easily move it and it can serve your need. You get. What you need is to connect your ex ten sion to it. When you connect your ex ten sion to it, it can power what you want to use it to power. Those things that it has the capacity to power. Not that, don't use, even if you get this solar generator, don't go and carry big appliances like deep freezer to come and plug in this solar generator. At the end of the day, you will just, you will kill the solar generator at the end of the day. So you go for something that, oh, this is what I need and I'm going for it. If other people are going for the ones that are expensive, fine, it's okay. But this is what I'm going for. and you shouldn't feel bad about it. So far it's serving your need. Everybody are not the same. All fingers are not equal at the end of the day. There are other solar system. If you look at the under one, yeah, the one with switch and changeover that also have inverter, look at what it has there. That's the one of the 850. That one can power your deep freezer. For those who can afford it, you can go for it. It's fine. It all depends on you at the end of the day. It all depends on your budget, your pockets. But you can start small. There are some person that look forward to have a solar system that can power their AC, that can power their deep freezer, let's say like 2 deep freezer. You can have a startup package which we are offering, which is the one with the inverter and the switch over and the whole system you are seeing there. You can start with that at the end of the day. Then let's say in the next 6 months, oh, you have money to buy more batteries. You can go ahead and buy more batteries. You have more money to buy panels. You can go ahead and 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 buy panels in order to increase your capacity. That is one of the advantage of that one. But for the solar generator, it's mobile. Like I told you before, you can move it from one place to another. So that is what you need to understand about this solar generator and the solar system. The solar generator, it comes with panel. Yes, we have generator that can carry your fridge depending on the capacity of the fridge, and we are going to guide you, and we are going to put you through on how you can manage this system so that you can use it effectively and it can serve your need. So you don't need to panic. If you have any question you want to ask us concerning what I've said, concerning how far I've been able to explain this thing, you can go ahead and ask your question and I will be there to answer you, or one of my colleague will answer you. Okay, so we have other solar system too. What you just need to do, just tell us, meet us that, oh, look at the appliances I want to power in my home. Then we will recommend the one that will suit you, so that you will not just go for anyone, or maybe you will now be thinking that it's expensive, that you cannot afford it. Whereas you have something that can suit your need perfectly. Okay, so this is this is where I'm going to end, and I know you got a lot of value from this video, and I'm so happy you were able to watch it to this end. Okay, so if you have any question, like I said previously, if you have any question, you can just put a call through, you can message us on WhatsApp. We are there, we're able to answer you. And if you need any of these products, you can reach out to us and we'll get it delivered to your location. Okay, we'll give you the best, and one thing that comes with it is that we give you warranty for every product that you are going to need, that's going to suit your need. If we recommend any product for you and we have it available to give to you, our own come with a warranty. Yes, it comes with a warranty. Okay, so that is what I have for you. Congratulations once again, and I know that you learned a lot from this video. Okay, so like I said, this is our phone number. See, this is our phone number here. You can contact us on this number. Okay, if you message me on WhatsApp, I can send my colleague to you to attend to you if I'm not available, and he will attend to you perfectly well, and you are going to enjoy this. Okay, once again, congratulations and thank you for watching this video to the end. Do have a great day.